In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in ClickUp. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just need a refresher on managing templates, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident in your abilities. First things first, you'll want to head over to clickup.com. Once there, log in using your profile details. It's important to ensure you have the correct credentials to access your workspace. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there's always the option to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the ClickUp dashboard, a hub of productivity where your projects and tasks reside. Next, it's time to navigate to the workspace you wish to work with. Now, this step involves a bit of decision making, since you might be part of multiple workspaces. Each workspace in ClickUp can represent different teams, departments, or projects you're involved in, so pick accordingly. A clear understanding of your organizational structure will help you identify the appropriate workspace quickly. After you're in the right workspace, focus on selecting the list that you want to edit. Lists in ClickUp serve as a foundational element for organizing tasks, akin to categories or buckets where tasks are grouped for better manageability. Simply find the list you wish to modify and click on it. This will bring up all tasks associated with that particular list. Now you're ready to roll up your sleeves and start editing. From this page, you have the flexibility to alter tasks and modify other elements as needed. Whether you're changing due dates, updating task statuses, or adding new items, the editing options are extensive. ClickUp allows you the freedom to customize these elements precisely according to your project needs, helping streamline your workflow management. Remember, keeping your lists updated is crucial for managing projects efficiently, so take your time here to revisit each element and make necessary adjustments. And there you have it. With these steps, you can successfully edit a template in ClickUp with ease. As you dive into editing, feel free to explore the interface. The more you familiarize yourself, the more efficient you'll become in organizing your tasks. If you ever feel stuck, don't hesitate to tap into ClickUp's support resources or community forums where you can find additional guidance and tips. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your ClickUp experience a bit smoother. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and productivity tips. Have a productive day, and see you in the next video.